In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Connection and Sharing. Following that, select Printing and tap on System Printing Service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different service, disable this one by tapping on blue sweater. Go back, tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. Finally, after accessing the same settings, you can tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!